So I'm going to go over a set of reusable, like sandwich type, maybe vegetable type bags. This is from the company Joie, and the capacity on these right here are 46.5 fluid ounces. This is a 6-pack. They're leak proof. They have a heat rating up to 150-degree heat, but you don't want to put them in a microwave or oven or something like that. They can melt, just so you know. That just means like hot food. So if you got hot food or soup, you could pour it down in here and close it up. And the resistance is down to 58 degrees below zero. This replaces single-use bags, and that's something that I really wanted to do, was have something that replaced the single-use bags there. And I like the fact that they give you these different colors. You know, they give you red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And check out that. You know what? You can put tomatoes and carrots in there. Let me just show you. Actually, the quality on these things feel really good. I like how they open and they expand down at the bottom. And it feels like a very, I'm pulling on it, it's a very tough type material. And this closure system is like a 3-way closer. Look at that. Let's see if it leaks here. So I got air in there. Well, that's not leaking at all. These things look very premium at a super affordable cost. I highly recommend these Joie type bags right here. I'm going to be using these amongst my travels because a lot of times I'll put soup or soup mix down inside of a kayak and then roll it up inside of a dry bag. And this is what I take on the river for me. And I don't want to take single-use containers anymore if I can keep from it. I want to get these multi-use containers of anything, whether it's like Nalgene bottles or these bags or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the reusable, sandwich bags, treat bags. For me, soup bags. See y'all in the next video.